How funky and cool, right? Let me share it with you. So, nope, that's the wrong piece. Oh, where did I put you? I have so much jewelry here that I hope I get the chance to show it all with you. Here it is. Okay. So this right here. How cool. They are literally a handcuff chain earring. I would have it in right now, but I couldn't do it with my fake nails. I need my husband to open it up for me. Oh, I got it. I got it open. Wow. Okay. I was struggling earlier, but basically, so if you have a piercing up here like I do, you can put that right there and then have the other one right here. And I think that's so cool looking. Or you can literally just have it connecting from here. So in your first and your second hole. And it looks so dope together. Like, I don't know. It's just so unique. I think it's a really cool piece to add to your collection. Again, it's gold. I love gold jewelry. And it's just so dainty. And you can definitely tell that it's a handcuff. Let me show you without my nails. You can definitely tell that it's a handcuff on there. How cute! I love it. I cannot say enough good things about it. I think it's perfect for, fall and winter. Let me share with you. Oh, I didn't link this one. Darn it. Okay. Well, I have some others. It's okay. I have another piece that I want to share with you right here.